Hello, my name is Tony Jones. I'm here at Jensen Shoes. I work here, and today we're going to go over how to take spots out of suede shoes. Okay. First of all, I got a suede shoe here. What we have here is a suede and nubuck care kit. What it is a brush and an eraser, really. Basically, you go over your spot with your eraser, really good, as much as you can. Most of the time, it just comes right out, kind of like this. You can see it changing the color, getting stuff out. Very important on suede shoes, but you work on it like that. As you can see, the color changes a little bit, but we get that color back with the brush, so we won't want to worry about that. Once we get that spot out that you're talking about, or that we're looking at, go ahead and brush the whole shoe with your brush here, and get the color back. This is how that works, and the spot is gone. It depends on which way you go. You want to go the same way on each shoe because it's lighter one way and the other way it's a little darker because it is suede. And so you can get both shoes looking the same color after you get that spot out.